5:30 in the morning. I need to get up because I have a bus to catch at 8 because I'm traveling early today to KL for photo shoot and video shoot. And I'm so lazy, I just want to go and sleep right now. And this is what I go through as an influencer. Sometimes, not always.
Ryan Little.
I don't like wearing makeup when I travel, not even my contact lens, you know. Sometimes I bring glasses, sometimes I don't, because I'm not having that high power. So for those time I don't like to wear makeup and compact powder, I just use this powder. It's called Sapin cream, Sapin powder. What cream? Sapin powder. But they also have the cream. It's like this Korean brand. I got it from Shopee only, and it blurs out my pores, like legit. And it has the cutest powder puff. Like, look at that. It just brings me back to time, like during my baby. I don't like using this because this happens. So I just, you know, take just normal fluffy, like super duper fluffy brush, just wear it like a baby powder, and you can see that there's so much difference. So I've actually pre-packed yesterday, so I technically don't have to pack today anything. I just have to pack the last minute things, which is my phone charger, my skincare. I've already packed because I've done my skincare, and I think that's all. I need to take my breakfast because I'm a breakfast person. I'm not sure if you guys are. Comment down below if you guys are a breakfast person, because I can never start a day without a breakfast or a coffee. I am traveling light this time, so whatever I'm wearing now is what I'm gonna wear for the photo shoot, the video shoot. That is why I love having just basic gold jewelry, because you can go with anything, like just say it will go with it. That's why I love golds. So yeah. So while waiting for 7 before I leave, here's what is the whole vlog is gonna be about. My bus is at 8. I'm gonna reach there around 12, where I'll have to go out with my best friend's sister since it's her birthday. So that is why I'm going early today. Once I'm done with her birthday, I'm gonna go back to my hotel room and ready for a photo shoot and stuff, and edit this vlog and edit some contents to be posted on my Lemonade platform and also my Instagram platform. Posting out a post, TikToks maybe if I have the time. Iron my photo shoot and video shoot outfit, plus washing my hair, getting it dry, not curling it. And the next day, tomorrow, will be waking up in the morning, getting to the shoot at 10, and it'll be over by 5 if I'm not mistaken, taking bus before 7 and coming back JB. That's a hectic plan, but it's okay, I'll get into it. I'm not gonna postpone, like drag the time staying there, because that's just like super tiring. Not sure if you guys can hear me, but now I have to wait 30 minutes early, which has never happened, being early. But yeah, I'm early, and guess what? A girl forgot her tripod. It's just me, you know. I forget something somehow. Look where I'm at. No. Need to get up because it's your sister's birthday and I haven't seen her yet. Where is she?
Oh yeah, I never wish my sister. Let's go to her now.
What's up? Okay, so now I'm all ready. Since the check-in time is at 3.
3 yeah?
Yeah, I cannot go now. So I need to wait until 3. So I decided to just come here to my Gila best friend's house and get ready.
Gila best friend.
Yeah, and then we are gonna leave to celebrate the birthday girl's birthday.
We can never be together. People think we crazy, yeah.
Let me show you my outfit. So my outfit, let me tell you my outfit from
Yeah, it's all from my wardrobe.
Natasha's wardrobe, Natasha's wardrobe, Natasha's wardrobe. Later the Nike shoe is my wardrobe.
Cute, you know, this outfit. Why did I
Cause-
think of this?
Cause
I'm so dumb.
yeah, that's why.
Why are you smiling a lot? Jesus Christ, stop it. Hi guys! So we are in Pavilion right now. Hi guys! So we are walking in Pavilion. We are finding for cake, but I don't know where to find. It's very hard to find.
Yo, what's up, G?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Khesyuuu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Yama. Yay! Yama. Gonna try to recover.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so now I am currently spending time with the fam, so I wouldn't want to interrupt by vlogging much. Good morning. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning and I need to get up to get ready for the photo shoot. I look like a date. I didn't end up vlogging yesterday, but I finished up all the chores that I needed to do except for posting. So yeah, that's great. But I'll have to get up, shower, and just look at this view. So beautiful and so refreshing. Hey guys, so I'm already done for the shoot. All white outfit. And the sun is just hitting me right in the face, and I'm done with the sun right now because it's just too hot. So yeah, I'm gonna book a Grab and go to the shoot area like quickly because I'm already late because it's 9:48 and the shoot is at 10. Goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm done with the shoot and it's super tiring even though it's just for a while. So they decided on not to do video shoot but only focus on photo shoot, which is fine. So yeah, that's why it finished fast. So it's only 3 and I'm gonna grab bus early, I guess. But my mom told me to grab around 4 because it's gonna be jam when I reach there for her to fetch me. So yeah, I'm gonna go and grab something to eat before taking my bus. Yeah, that's my plan. So let's go and eat. Let's see what they have in TBS. Alright, it's time to go back. Let's wait for that bus. And yep. I am definitely tired, super tired. I ate, but I'm still tired. And I guess I need a break. I'm gonna take a break for the next 2 days. back to JB. I swear to God, I want to go back ASAP because I'm so tired already. I waited. I thought the bus is at 4:15, but it arrived at 4:05. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep the whole journey because I'm so tired. I'll see you guys at JB.